Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is terms, that is especially the words superficial and deep. If you are new to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button and the thumbs up icon and the share button. So let's start with the topic superficial and deep. These words, so called superficial and deep, they don't belong to English. They are derived from Greek and Latin word. Superficial and deep means anything which is closer to the surface of the body is considered as superficial. Anything which is closer to the depth of the body is considered as deep. I repeat, anything which is closer to the surface of the body is called superficial. Anything which is related to the depth of the body is called as deep. So in this example, we can just think that the skin is superficial and the bone marrow is the deepest. If you want to know in detail, I have drawn one simplest diagram, line diagram. You can see that now clearly. So it's all about the comparison. So the skin is superficial to the subcutaneous fat. The subcutaneous fat is superficial to the muscle. The muscle is superficial to the nerve and the blood vessels. And the nerve and blood vessels are superficial to the bone. And the bone is superficial to the bone marrow. So this is the usage of the word superficial. So if I want to tell the other one, that is a deep, I can tell like this. The bone marrow is deep to the bone. The bone is deep to the nerve and blood vessel. The nerve and blood vessel is deep to the muscles. The muscle is deep to the fat. And the fat is deep to the skin. So it is in context of one another we use the word superficial and deep. Anything which is closer to the surface of the body is superficial. Anything which is closer to the depth of the body is considered as deep. In this example, even the skin consists of two layers, the epidermis and dermis. So epidermis of the skin, which contains these hairs, can be superficial, and the dermis, which is the underlying connective tissue, can be considered as deep. So other words of the deep is like this. It is called as profundus. So sometimes you hear in medical field the word profundus, especially in the forearm. Flexor digitorum superficialis, it is a muscle, flexor muscle in the forearm, it is closer to the skin. So we use the word flexor digitorum superficialis. Next deep muscle will be like this, flexor digitorum profundus, which means it is also a flexor muscle of forearm, but it is deeply located. The word profundus in Latin just means deep. So this is the context of the word superficial and deep, the terminology. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico.